Michael with Adjuster101.com, here with a public service announcement. My first public service announcement, as I'm looking at this page, is don't forget to learn how to spell. Your second public service announcement here is if you're estimating for carpet replacement in Xactimate, do not, I repeat, do not forget your flurple, okay? Because your flurple is extremely important, and all these companies and these carriers out there really wanting you to use the flurple, okay? So someone came over to me the other day and they asked me, hey Michael, what's a flurple? And I said, you know what, I'm glad you asked because I am going to tell you. So what I did is I brought them into Xactimate and I showed them a line item here for carpet replacement. And I showed them that commonly you will see people doing this, using this calculation, maybe adding 10, 15, 20% on top of the floor measurement and calling it a day. And most of the carriers and most of the companies are not wanting that to be done that way because it's not accurate to the drop and roll method. So it's not correct waste. So you'll see if he added 15%, that's 218.68 square feet. So kind of remember the 218 number, all right? So if you go up here in the calculation field and you type flurple, it applies the drop and roll method automatically for you, and it allows for 230 square feet for waste. So that is what your flurple is, and most of your carriers are definitely wanting you to use that particular method to determine what your waste factor is. So I hope that helps you. Anytime you are estimating for carpet, do not forget the flurple.